welcome back to my channel, My Hobby House. I am Nandini Arun, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to make a beautiful peacock clock decor. This elegant wall hanging with black and silver finish will give your home a modern chic look. This uses very few materials that are available at our home. Before moving into the video, if you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel, My Hobby House, and click the bell icon so that you get updates on my new video. So come on, let's get started.
For this you will need of course a clock, a cardboard, some bamboo sticks or skewer sticks, black paint and silver colored sheets or aluminium foil sheets. First, take a piece of thick cardboard and draw the peacock head. Round clock is best for this. My clock is actually white in color and I have painted the top rim in black. Then draw a circle in the diameter of your clock. Draw one more circle inside of 1 inch wide. Now cut out the peacock head and the ring. You will need 2 rings of the same size. Then take another piece of cardboard and cut droplets shapes of 3.5 inches height. You will need 25 pieces of these droplets. Then draw the crown of the peacock and cut it out. Now paint it all with black acrylic paint. Then take a silver sheet of paper and cut out a small crown and 25 small droplets, each of size 2 inches. You can also use aluminium foil sheets instead of silver paper. Now stick the small crown to the big one as well as the small droplets to the big droplets. Then you will need total of 25 bamboo sticks, in which 12 long sticks and 13 small sticks. The long sticks are about 12 inches in length and the small sticks are about 8 inches in length. Now it's time to assemble everything. Stick the peacock head to the base ring. Then mark 12 dots of equal spaces in between to place the bamboo sticks. Now start sticking the long bamboo sticks in the marked spaces. Then stick the small bamboo sticks in between. Next, stick the droplets at the end of each stick. Then stick the crown to the peacock's head. Now put enough glue and stick the top ring. Finally, place the clock on top of it. While hanging in the wall, you should hang the clock and not the cardboard so that it stands firmly. Now stick the peacock eyes. You can also add some white stones to it. Now the peacock is all ready to hang. There is another way to do this is that you can stick everything first except the clock, then finally you can use a spray paint to paint it. If you have a spray paint, it will be much easier. If you like my video, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.